Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dall's Rescue Channel. I have a happy mail once again, and I am elated. This one is from Christina over at the Dall, and that's D-A-L-L House channel. And I can't wait to open it. Christina on her channel does all kinds of Dall videos. Mostly right now she's been doing American Girl. Oh wow, look at this. Matching flowers. Well, kind of matching. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, and there's still more. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. This outfit has beads, a bow, and horseshoe earrings. Y'all know I'm a rider. I've had horses for a lot of years of my life. I love them. When I was 6 years old, my dad borrowed two things from two friends. From one friend, he borrowed a Shetland pony with a cart, and I was outside with that pony the whole weekend. He borrowed it for a weekend. And from another friend, he borrowed his 12-year-old son to come over each day and ride me around the neighborhood behind that pony on that cart. Isn't that hilarious? I got sparkling glitter rainbow dust scented bath bomb crystals. How cool is that? Very, 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 that'll be fun. Here's a card. Let me open it. Oh wow, it's a very nice card. Hi Marna, wanted to send you a little thank you for being so supportive of my channel. Everything is handmade except for the boots. Oh, boots. Some of the accessories. I thought the boots matched a pair that you had found a while back. There are two bandana skirts, but I hated how the top turned out, so no top to go with them. I simply haven't had time to try and make it again. I hope you like everything. Sincerely, Christina. P.S. Thoughtful BJD doll would fit the jacket. Thought a BJD doll would fit the jacket. There's a jacket. How cool is that? Yes, Christina is a seamstress. I am so excited about this. All right, let's open this one first. Boots, there's boots. Okay, I'll have to go get some doll models. The only thing about these little clear fold-over self-sticking bags is I can never find the end. They're hidden. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the bandana skirts. Oh, I'm having Western days here. This is the coolest. Oh, look at this. How cute. Look at this jacket. Oh my goodness. I actually saw her, I'm pretty sure I saw her making this and this on her channel. And I watch her videos all the time, so I probably saw these if she did a video. Let's open the boots. Oh! Oh! Wait till you see how cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are so stinking cute. You probably don't know this. I wear fringed boots. I live in moccasins, always did, always will. I'm all about that leather fringe. Oh my goodness, these are cute. She say she did or did not make these boots. My. They are adorable. I love them. Let's get some dolls dressed. I am loving these outfits. I am all about Western wear. I don't wear so much of it anymore, but we don't ride as much as we used to. Darren and I used to go on weekend camping trips with our horses. They had organized rides in Wisconsin. And on Friday nights, they usually had a live band with dancing. And we would go. These 3 outfits are something I would wear. Okay, probably not this one because the skirt's kind of long for me. We had so much fun. We're still having fun on our horses, just not as often. Darren and I, nor our horses, are as young as we used to be. You have to see the back of this jacket. This is so cute. Look at the hood. Is that adorable? And it's all lined, and it is just cute, 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 cute. And you know, we just had the May the 4th challenge. And I think Christina made that for that challenge. Anyway, I just want to send a very special thank you and a shout out to Christina at the Dall House. Thank you so much. This is the Dall's Rescue Channel. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.